Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Janae if you are new, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, hey girl, hey. So y'all already titled the video. Today we got another wig review. Now I know it has been a minute, but your girl have this bomb unit that you can purchase from Amazon. And if you want to know more details about this unit, you already know the deal. As always, honey, go grab a snack, take a seat, and let's get into this review. So I hope y'all enjoyed that quick little, speed through showing you the unit and everything, as well as like the little items and gifts that come in the box. That's one thing I love about this brand. Although it's affordable and low price brand, they do advertise and box up your items pretty nicely. I actually purchased a unit before, I want to say like a month or two ago from them, and it was under $100 as well. Still came with a nice little unboxing situation. So I hope y'all enjoyed that little elevator music or whatever. So y'all, I'm not gonna be long with this girl. Just like a quick throw on unit. One thing I have been loving, you know how some people have like their soft girl era? Your girl has been having a bang girl era. So I have been loving units with bangs. I have even went so far as cutting my own bangs and units for like the quick and easy, versatile looks that I've been loving lately. So with this unit, I did try to review it a couple of days ago. I didn't get to film all the clips like I would like, so I said, hey, I'm gonna refilm it, and I'm actually happy that I did because I wanted to co-wash the unit. The first time I did not do any co-washing. If I still have a clip, you may see a side-by-side how it looked the first time. I would say if you do not co-wash this hair, the color is very, very loud, and it's almost like a ginger color. But when you co-wash it, it tones down the color a little bit. Girl, I didn't use nothing special to co-wash. I used my off-brand Tresemme from Walmart and conditioner to co-wash it. It's a 100% human hair unit. It's not synthetic blend. It is a more of a yaki texture, which I actually like because it adds a little bit more of a natural look to it, and it's a little bit more of a coarser texture to it, so it can hold a little bit more heat. When you actually, co-wash it, it seems like it actually softens the hair a little bit more. I did have a little bit of shedding, not a lot. It's like 1 or 2 strands here and there. That's about it. No tangling at all. When it came, it did not have any smell, so that's another reason why I just went ahead to just install it on the day that I received it. But since I was gonna space out some time to refilm it, I was like, girl, let's co-wash it and see how it does, so I can let you guys know how it reacts after you wash it and and condition it. So actually I like it now more than the first time than I first tried to film it. So it was, but basically we ain't gonna spend long on this review. This is gonna be one of the quickest wig reviews I ever did. It does have 2 combs in the front. It has a comb in the back. It has the elastic band to extend it out. And girl, I had to, because y'all know I got a big head, so I had to use that very much so to put this on my head. I do not have any kind of braid down. I just have 2 plaits on my hair, and I just pretty much cross it at the back and put it on with the little wig cap that came with it. This particular style, this is the only color in this length. They do have a shorter version, which I'm gonna make sure I link that video of the unit that I previously reviewed before somewhere in the description box as well below. But all in all, I am a happy camper. YASGRL does come, very much recommended for me on my channel, and I hope you guys love it. Again, I'm going to make sure I link this unit as well as the previous unit that I recorded in video if you want to know a little bit more about it, the shorter length unit. I believe this one is a 14-inch or 12-inch. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to make sure I put the exact length and link in my description box. I may even put it somewhere on the video the exact length of it, but I think it's like a 14-inch. But girl, all in all, I'm loving it. I would recommend it. It's affordable, and it is a good throw on unit, you know, if you don't want to do any kind of lace or anything. Although it does have a lace in the middle, and it's already pre-bleached, so I like that it already have like this color to it. And you could probably go in with some concealer or some powder if you would like to add a little bit more realistic look to it. The front, girl, I just used some hot comb to give it a little bit more of like a bump, but also, you know, get it flat. And then I also went in with my wax stick and flattering off camera, you know, to add a little bump to the unit as well. So all in all, your girl is happy with the purchase. If you want to purchase this unit, I'm going to make sure I link it down below. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for showing me mad love on all my social media platforms. We are going to be having some hauls very, very soon. Your girl has took a little bit of a mental break, but your girl is back. Okay, so definitely follow me on TikTok, Instagram, because we have been collabing with other brands there. So y'all already know. Make sure you tell someone that you care about, that you love them. Until next time. Bye.